Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do this simple style that I did. I had a previous style. I'll insert a clip so you can see, and I did not want to manipulate my hair, so this is the style that I came up with after a lot of thinking. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and also turn on the notification bar so you know when I do upload a new video. As you can see, like, I'm really not doing anything. It looks a lot like the style that I did. I'm just going to add water in my hair to moisturize it. The water has leave-in conditioner. I just want to make sure my hair is nicely moisturized because I'm going to wear this style for like 4 or 5 days. So I'm also adding olive oil, although it shows like an almond oil bottle. I usually take like my cooking olive oil and I just put it in a different bottle and I use that for hair. I'm also going to go in with my gel. I'm using the Garnier Fructis gel. You can obviously use any gel that you want to. I'm only adding in a small amount because I already had gel from the previous style into my hair. And I'm just brushing that down. I'm going to brush my hair down again after I'm done with the style almost completely. Okay, so getting on this hair at the front, I'm just going to detangle it first. It's easier to work on your hair when it's detangled. And then I'm going to have a part in the middle, and I'm going to have two sections. I'm just going to moisturize like I did the hair that is already tied again, just the water, the leave-in conditioner, and oil. And I'm going to divide each side into 3 boxes. To make it easier to work with the hair, I'm just making like small bantu knots and then doing all the parts. And after doing the parts, I'm going to start twisting the hair and putting it together the way I want to style it. So I'm just repeating that on the other side as well. I'm just tracing the lines and creating again the 3 boxes again and doing the small bantu knots just to tuck the hair away. Okay, so after that, as you can see, I'm taking a little bit of gel and putting it on the base of the hair, and then taking a small rubber band and tying it 3 times. I don't like tying it more because I find that taking the rubber bands can be quite annoying, so I only do it 3 times, and then I pull my hair apart as you saw to lay it down flatter. After that, I'm just doing a twist. So as you can see, I'm going to twist the second box from the other side, not the first one. I'm just going to take the twist that I did and connect it to the second box and then twist them together. The intention is to just make X's as I go. So as you can see, the line, and then the other side again, I'm going to work on the front one, and then I'm also going to connect it on the second box on the other side. So I'm just going to continue doing this until I finish working on all the boxes, and as you can see, I have an X there. So I'm going to have X's going all the way to the band thing that I made. Okay, so there we have it. I just went back and brushed my hair again just to make it lay flatter because it was kind of dry. I also added a little bit of water, and I'm just going to tie my scarf to lay it. I gave my sister a ride for like half an hour, and then I came back and added this little accessories on it. You can use any accessories that you want. If you want to add beads to it, then you have to add the beads as you're doing the twists. So I added about, I think, 8 pieces. Yes, 8 pieces of accessories. Oh my god, I can't speak. But I added 8 pieces of accessories, and then I'm just going to use this DIY hair ties that I did. I'm going to leave a link of it down below, so if you want to watch the video on how I created these puffs, then go on ahead and watch it in the description bar down below. So I'm just going to add both of them. I'm just tying them, and then I will play with them and fluff them out until I achieve the look that I want to. By the way, just a slight adjustment that I made from the DIY video that I did for these puffs is that I cut the hair ties so that they're not connected. It just makes it so much easier to tie them to my little bun, and they're more secure without adding bobby pins. Okay, so that is it. I'm just going to fluff it out until I achieve the look that I want to. I actually could not see my back, so it wasn't that perfect, but after watching the video I went and I fluffed it out again to achieve the look that I want to. So this is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like it, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Check me out on Instagram if you want to see that. I go by _YasserK. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.